Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join communities on the X app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the X app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow or the people that are recommended to us. Then we have to tap on the little search icon in the bottom bar. The two people. And here we have some community suggestions. And from these suggestions, we can select one that we are interested in, tap on it, and then tap on join in the right hand side. And if we tap on join, there are some rules for the community, and then if we agree with them, we can tap on agree and join. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.